Let's go run, baby!
Follow your heart, like, a lot of people not see your vision yet. Follow your heart. Just follow it all the way through. That's when you see you make a new ground and people appreciate it later on. You know what I mean? Never try to do something to impress the next man. It's really about what you see, what you have inside. Everybody's unique individual here. So you have something to contribute. So whatever it is, follow that, bring it out. You share the tech with all of us, you know what I mean? Let's go. I won't never quit in a world full of Sprite, baby. I'm Sierra Man. Yeah. Let's go.
Hey. My name's Ryan. Ryan does like a bird. And I got a bunch of songs. Yeah, this next one's called Wish Me Luck.
2, 1, go!
I like when we got some fun going down by 30. I got a heart of metal, baby, you can't hurt me. I got up in the morning, it was way too early. Go back, tell me how to go back. I need flags from the wall, get the plaque out of my teeth. I'm a different breed, there's no other heart deep. Just like DJ Khaled, I'll get lost at sea. You don't need a submarine if you want to find me. Down the bad bitch, take them out for a beat. You know how it is, I keep up playing in the trunk. Keep a smile on my face, you don't know I'm in a funk. I think I'ma make it, if you with it, wish me luck. Bags on me like I just did my groceries. Moving real slow, I don't got a sense of urgency. Even if I'm scared, I'ma do this shit nervously. I'm taking many L's, but there really is no hurting me. Can somebody do me a huge favor? Can you get water? Water! I don't know where to get water from, but thank you. Oh shit, dude, you got me water, thank you! Alright, this next one? Yeah, so, my name's Ryan, in this song, it's also called Brown Love, isn't that silly? Yeah, I guess. Alright, let's run. Turn it up a little bit. They ask me what I'm doing, I just hit them with a shrug. Making up these words and they say I'm going nuts. My friends are showing love, all my haters smell like butts. I'm like Thanos Smith, turn them haters in the dust. I'm not stuck no more, you can catch me going up. They stay throwing shade, I'm just throwing hugs. Please don't touch me there, baby girl, I'm done. Stay so fat like Garfield cat, I bet you ain't know I got it like that. Kept in my rap with my rhymes where it has. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. On my Mario Kart shit, you cannot pass me. I feel like these always getting nasty. They're gonna have to give me a Grammy. If you got a problem, you can get at me. Loving my bass from bottom to top. You cannot fuck with the deuce in the swamp. I'm gonna wait cause you want me to flop. I'm making hits, yeah, I'm making pops. You gon' crazy, no other tops. I can be you, but I'd rather not. I'm just being me until my motherfucking hearts. Let's go. Alright. This next song is called Alright. How you guys doing out there? Everybody up here, you guys look very happy. Very good. Yeah. I hope you guys are having a good time too. Alright, this song's called Heat Red. Hey! Football good. This one's called Bilbo. Not Hero. Serenity boys, we straight out of time zone. Brand new chicken, she think it's a Bible. Brand new whip, I drop that with my eyes closed. I just be singing American Idol. If I want it, then I'ma go get it. You cannot do me, so you should forget it. Wake this shit up like I'm making spaghetti. Bitch, I'm the party, I'm making confetti. Give me a sweater, the shit is too cold. Shoe in my head, I feel like I'm told. Whipping the car, toward Orango Road. I seen the same shit, it never gets old. You cannot catch me, I'm out of control. I'm running this race, I'm taking this stroll. I'm getting this bread, I'm on a roll. I ran out of cereal, I'm smoking a bowl. How you feel inside? Are you feeling good? Do you feel alright? Hey, I feel like the sun. Bitch, I shine so bright. Feeling invisible. Yeah, I'm out of sight. Hey, how it feel inside? What's the weather like? Are you feeling good? Do you feel alright? Yeah, I feel like the sun. Bitch, I shine so bright. Feeling invisible. Yeah, I'm out of sight. Yeah. Alright, now, this one is actually called Heat Ray. I lied earlier, but don't play it yet. Let me get a sip of this water. Hey, you gotta stay hydrated. Alright, yeah, this is called Heat Ray. Hold up, wait a minute, okay, let me talk my shit. I'm not even real, baby, riding those of me. Yeah, she think that I'm silly, goofy, so she let me in. Get this shit some eggs from open banana, then I split. I'm doing my face like I got 2 left feet. It's like 1,000 degrees, but I'm still wearing fleece. Living life like I got a brand new lease. You can't get to me, I think I found my peace. Okay, Hardy, I'm not fresh with the Hardee's. Talking on that shit, you do not know what you started. We ain't getting invited, we still show up to the party. Hey, catch me smiling with my friends, shout out baby Charlie. Feeling so high, I think I might punch Jesus. Stepping over with the hand, you better believe us, they gon' know our names. From Texas to Venus, you can try all you want, but you can never defeat us, so hey. Yeah, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Make some noises. Yeah, 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 hey, yeah. Alright, we got this next one. My friend Rick Indigo is gonna come help me with this one. Let's go, Rick Indigo. Alright, this one's called Don't Hit Me Up. It's called DMHU. We got one mic. We're gonna share a mic. Alright. Let's run it. We turn it up a little bit. Watch the way you talking to me, you my naked enemy. Keep that shit away from me. I Shout out Rick Indigo, everybody. Give this man a round of applause. Yes. Yes.
Hey, yo, listen to us running up one more time. Woo!
All right. All right.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
How y'all doing?
Talk to him.
Let's go swap.
Goodbye, everyone.
Give it up for Swamp G.
Love you, dude. Oh, he's awesome. All right.
I got a few more. Yes. This one's called Viral. I ain't talking about the seeds. She's too cool for me, but you know I like the freeze. Okay, breathe. Light me up, I'm a freak. Please don't wake me up, cause I'm living out my dreams. 2 in the morning, I'm making some hits. 8 in the morning, clocking for my shit. Who do you know that can do it like this? Who do you know? Who do you know? You do not know me. You are not friend, you are not gang, you ain't the homie. But you can't be if you want to. I'm not slow, my eyes low when I'm writing songs on 5 phones. Yeah, hard things I go viral. Hard things I go viral. Okay, I might blow, watch me grow. Both hands up in my show. Hard things I go viral. Hard things I go viral. This next one, I want the mic stand for this one. This song is called Constipated. Why is it called Constipated? It's because I ain't taking no shit. All right. a listen to syndicate. I'm in the streets and I'm sipping on lemonade. I'm at the show, catch me a barricade. I don't want no drama, baby. I just wanna make my songs. Find someone that loves me, and I hope that shit lasts very long. Cold, cold world, I got sweaters that'll keep you warm, and you can keep the hate. Peace and love till the day I'm gone. Peace out in the air, everybody. Yeah. Constipated, I ain't taking no shit. You thought I was done, that I just can't quit. Don't look at the tone, please change your pitch. Call you Nintendo, the way that you switch. I don't play games unless I'm excited, kid. I'm in the streets and I'm sipping on lemonade. I'm at the show, catch me a barricade. I keep it sweet, just like a carrot cake. I don't want no drama, baby. I just want to make my songs. Find someone that loves me, and I hope that shit lasts very long. Cold, cold world, I got sweaters that'll keep you warm. You can keep the hate, it's peace and love till the day I'm gone. Alright, this next song. The next song is Marathon. It's about running, and I need you guys' help. Alright. So there's a part in this song where I'm like, I'll be running, yeah, you know that I'm running. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you guys just go running after I say that. So let's try that real quick. I'll be running, yeah, you know that I'm running. Yeah, that's good. Alright, let's run that. Hey, I always sing these lines, hey, from a nerd that's good brain two ways. I was sad last night, but it's a new day. I won't stay down, no sir, no way. I can see the world in HD like Blu-ray. I'm just living life, what the fuck you mad at me for? We all got up and downs like a fucking seesaw. Trying to get to me, you forgot I can't be bothered. 20 steps ahead of you, don't you get me started. Song short, no stress, got me poor, take me on, running shit, no marathon. Song short, temper long, no stress, got me poor, take me on, running shit, no marathon. I be running, yeah, you know that I'm running. I be running, yeah, you know that I'm running. I be running, yeah, you know that I'm running. I be running, yeah, you know that I'm running. I be running, yeah, you know that I'm running. I be running, yeah, you know that I'm running. I be running, yeah, you know that I'm running. I be running, yeah. Okay. Alright. That one's called Marathon. Let me take a second. I'm gonna sit here. Take a second. I'm gonna talk to you guys. Hey, Bliss. How you doing, bro? My hands are a little wet, I'm sorry. Yeah, not that bad. How are y'all doing out there? Woo! Yeah. We're just buying the time. There's the next song called Bad Bitches. This next song is called Bad Bitches. Hey, shut up. All the bad bitches. Yeah. Okay. All my friends are bad bitches. Won't watch me spend this cash. I'm the money you see. Can't touch me, I'm too pretty. All my friends are bad bitches. Watch me spend this cash. pretty, yeah. That song is called Bad Bitches. I'm sweaty. Alright.
Hey, show off the chop, you looking clean.
What?
Show off the chop, you looking clean. Yeah!
Pause! Pause! You guys know SpongeBob? I don't know what this is. This next song's called Frogs. This next song's called Frogs. Turn me. So silent, so surprising when I walk by. Change my name to Mushroom, and I think I'm a fun guy. With the story shit, you Roger do a movie screen. You want to hear my story? Well, let me set the scene. Life is cool and I think everyone's a friend of me. But I will lie and think I made a couple enemies. As I said before, I will never let them get to me. I stand on business 100 times. I'm a centipede. 2023, all the shit that get my record. A real cry, baby boys dripping off the sector. But I'm up now. What's up now? Ain't no way that I'm never gone. Come down, always drawing stories, I ain't talking to no cops. I'm way too friendly, I like dinner with my house. They can't do it like that, you gotta give them props. This the kind of shit that got them jumping like frogs. Yeah, this the kind of shit that got them jumping like frogs. What? Yeah, this the kind of shit that got them jumping like. Jumping like frogs. Hey, this the kind of shit that got us jumping like. Bounce, 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 bounce. Wow. Yeah. This is called Frogs. I don't know what you just said. How you guys doing?
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm tired. I'm all sweaty. And this is my last song.
Nah.
This is the last one. I think. It's called, I'm like all out of words and stuff. I don't know what to say. I'm going non-verbal. I want to fall off this thing. Non-verbal. Hey, let me see your hands up. Yeah, let me see your hands up. Yeah, hands up. Oh yeah. Woo. What? Hands up. Drove a couple miles just to pull up to the spot. They love Texas in the summer, yeah, way too hot. I'm a cold motherfucker, like I just got out of hot. I ain't chasing rainbows, I'm a gold in the pot. Cause I flew out of my head, I feel like a new person. I'm in my bed like I lived inside a person. Getting real fancy, I wrote this verse in cursive. Running out of funds, I'ma still make this purchase. Triangles on my body, got the logo on my chest. Yeah, got too many hobbies, I hold one in the chest. From the ELP to the ATM. Got them popping on the edge, till they breaking all their necks out. All you know me, you think I was a turtle. I ain't worldwide, baby boy, I'm universal. Dodging all the stress, like I'm jumping over hurdles. Running out of words, yeah, I'm going non-verbal. Yeah, running out of words, yeah, I'm going non-verbal. Running out of words, yeah, I'm going non-verbal. What did I say? Running out of words, yeah, I'm going non-verbal. Yeah, running out of words, yeah, I'm going non-verbal. Yeah. flying like the bird. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for like jamming out over there as well. What's going on over here? Is it like a birthday or something? Happy birthday! Yeah! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Whose ever birthday it is?
Yeah, I already
Alright,
did it.
I'm gonna next up Isis Destiny.
Yeah, thank you. We got a replay. Yeah, 100% on